Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do lens flares, something else that you can use in your glow project, okay? And I'm recording this, so I'll put it on Google Classroom in a minute. How do I do this? I need to start with a black layer. So I'm going to get a new piece of paper, US paper. I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm going to make it black. Edit, fill, drop down to black. Okay, black layer. You guys can do that, right? Easy. Then I'm going to go up here to filter, and I'm going to go to render, and I'm going to go right here to lens flare. Okay? And I can choose, there's 4 different types. Okay? I'm going to choose this basic one. When you're in here, you can also drag stuff around. You can change the brightness, so play around. You do not want the brightness to go off the edges of the paper. You see right here, this is clipping on the edges. You want to contain it within the piece of paper. Okay, so yep, love it, looks good. I'm just going to push OK. And there's my lens flare. Okay, I'm going to make another. So new layer right here. Edit, fill, black. Okay. Oh, I covered up my other lens flare. That's okay. We're going to bring it back in a second. Filter. Okay, so again, filter, render, lens flare. And I like this lens flare. I'm just going to change it around a little. Maybe I'll make it a little dimmer. Say okay. And up, where did my other one go? I can't see it. I need to change my blend mode. So right here where it says normal, I'm going to drop down to lighten. And there we go. Now I can see the one underneath. Okay, there's the layer on top, one underneath. I can still do my Control T. Maybe I want this to be smaller. I can change the color. Control U. Alright, that will change the whole thing. Or I can hit this colorize. Okay, there we go. Love it. New layer. Edit. So edits here. Fill here. Black. Okay, filter, render, lens flare. I'll choose a different style. Like this one, looks good. Love it. Maybe I'll change the color now. Control U. And change the drop down here from normal to lighten. Okay, I can move it around. I can also change the opacity. Okay, maybe I want this one to be a little bit dimmer. Or maybe I want it to be all the way bright. Control J if I want to duplicate it. Control T, oopsie. Control T, I can move it around and now I have a second one. Okay, I can put these together. Alright, I'm going to do it one more time. New layer, edit, fill, black, okay, filter, render, lens flare. I'll choose a different one. Maybe I'll move this one around and have it super, there we go, like this. And to color it, Control U. And let me change it to lighten. And what other color? I need a new color. Control U. Let me go for a purple. So I'm going to hit colorize, bring my saturation up, and go for some sort of purple. There we go. Alright, so that's it.